and welcome to Level Up IAS and welcome back to 10-minute series. Today in this video we're going to look at the constitutional development till 1857. So let's begin. Regulating Act of 1773. This act was passed by the government to solve the problem of bankruptcy arising because of misgovernance by the British East India Company. The Act designated the Governor of Bengal as the Governor General of Bengal. The Act subordinated the governors of Bombay and Madras to the Governor General of Bengal. The Supreme Court was established at Fort William as the Apex Court in 1774. Pitt's India Act of 1784. This act was passed to solve the deficiencies of the Regulating Act of 1773 by placing the East India Company's administration in India under the British control. The Act established Board of Control over the Court of Directors to guide and supervise the affairs of the company in India. The Act placed the Indian affairs under the direct control of the British government. It distinguished between the commercial and political functions of the company. Charter Act of 1833. This act was the outcome of Industrial Revolution in England, because of which Indians had to function as market for the English mass production. Governor General of Bengal became the Governor General of India. The Governor General was given full control over revenue, civil, and military. The provisions were made for the appointment of a law commission for consolidation and codification of Indian laws. It ended the activities of the East India Company as a commercial body, which became a purely administrative body. Charter Act of 1853. The Act was passed to renew the East India Company's charter, but unlike previous charter acts, it did not mention the time period for which the company charter was being renewed. It reduced the number of directors of the company from 24 to 18. Out of these 18, 6 were to be appointed by the Crown. It separated for the first time the legislative and executive functions of the Governor General's Council. It expanded the Council of the Governor General for legislative purposes from 6 to 12. This act introduced the Civil Service Examination. Now, this is a practice question for you to attempt and put your answers in the comment section below. I hope you like this video and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.